If you're considering nopCommerce for your dropshipping business, there are a few things you need to know before making the leap. While it's a solid choice, especially for those looking for a customizable solution, there are some key points to keep in mind before you dive in. First thing, nopCommerce is open source, which means you can tweak the platform to fit your exact needs. This is a huge plus if you have the technical skills to modify the system. However, unlike some competitors like Shopify or BigCommerce, you'll need to manage hosting, security, and updates yourself. This adds a layer of complexity that might not suit beginners or those looking for a fully managed solution. Next thing, the user interface. It's not the most intuitive platform out there. Compared to Shopify, which is known for its easy-to-use interface, nopCommerce has a steeper learning curve. This could be a challenge if you don't have the time or technical expertise to familiarize yourself with the system. The third thing, scalability. While it's definitely a flexible option, scalability on nopCommerce requires you to handle it yourself. You'll need to set up your infrastructure as your business grows. In comparison, platforms like Shopify and BigCommerce offer automatic scalability, taking some of the load off your shoulders. Fourth thing, integrations. nopCommerce does support various integrations, but it's not as extensive as Shopify or WooCommerce. If you need specific integrations, especially for advanced dropshipping, you might run into roadblocks. You'll also find that some of the more complex integrations may require additional development work. The fifth thing, support. While nopCommerce offers support through forums and paid options, it lacks the customer service accessibility of Shopify or BigCommerce, which offer 24/7 support and a wide range of resources. So, if you run into issues, you may have to dig deeper for solutions or hire developers. Next thing, themes and design options. nopCommerce offers a range of themes, but they tend to feel a bit outdated compared to the modern designs offered by platforms like Shopify or BigCommerce. If you want a highly polished and contemporary-looking store out of the box, you might find it a bit lacking. The seventh thing, mobile responsiveness. While nopCommerce themes are mobile-friendly, setting up a store to look and function well on mobile can be tricky. Some competitors, like Shopify, provide more seamless mobile optimization features right off the bat. Eighth thing, payment gateways. nopCommerce supports a variety of payment gateways, but you'll have to handle the setup yourself. Other platforms like Shopify offer a more simplified, user-friendly integration process, which might save you time and hassle. The ninth thing, dropshipping features. While nopCommerce can be used for dropshipping, it's not as tailored to this model as Shopify or WooCommerce. It lacks a built-in dropshipping feature, so you'll have to rely on third-party apps or extensions to get the functionality you need. The 10th thing, pricing. While nopCommerce itself is free, you'll need to pay for hosting, security certificates, and extensions, which can add up. When comparing to Shopify or BigCommerce, which have clear pricing structures that cover hosting and security, the costs with nopCommerce can sometimes be less predictable. Next thing, security. As an open source platform, you're in charge of maintaining your store's security. While this gives you more control, it also puts more responsibility on you to keep things safe. For those who want a platform that handles security automatically, Shopify or BigCommerce might be a better choice. The 12th thing, customization. This is one of the strongest points for nopCommerce. If you want a highly customized store, you can do just about anything with enough development work. This level of flexibility is not something you'll get with platforms like Shopify, where customization can be limited unless you're willing to pay for advanced plans or hire a developer. In conclusion, nopCommerce is a solid option for those with technical know-how and a desire for customization. However, it's not the most beginner-friendly or streamlined option out there. If you're looking for a better, more user-friendly solution with robust dropshipping features, check out our recommended platform that you can try for free today.